News.
This evening, heartache in Barrett Hall, St. James. A 5-month-old baby girl is dead after being thrown from the 3rd floor of her father's home. And her mother is now being treated after a reported attempted suicide. Romano Lyons has the details.
What I could do? I try to go back in all I remember in a moment to say, yo, what could I have done to save this child here?
A regretful and heartbroken Dwight Brown. The man discovered his 5-month-old daughter atop a pit outside his home in Barrett Hall, St. James on Wednesday. She was allegedly dropped from the 3rd floor of the home by her mother. She was later pronounced dead at hospital.
Can't sleep. I feel like, they have a box drinks, they drink a box drinks and they juice what I done and the high say I shake it. That's how my brain is shaking in my head. Because I can't come to the term say a mother would really do this to her own flesh and blood.
It's reported that Mr. Brown became aware of the incident after his stepdaughter raised an alarm.
So me run out of my room now and look up on the van and look out. When I look out at the baby, I see.
The father of 4 said when he confronted her, she accused him of cheating. Soon after, Mr. Brown said she jumped from the 3rd floor.
But she come down and climb hold on the edge of the place and she dropped on the scaffolding on the building side. And she dropped on the scaffolding, she dropped on the one and then she dropped on and said, put on the baby and I try to catch her. And by the time I try to catch her and sit me hold on my back here, so right now I want to swell up. My back not good right now.
But that wasn't the end of it. Police say the woman got up and tried to grab her other child, an 8-year-old girl. The girl ran, and immediately after, Mr. Brown said the woman ran back inside the house.
By the time I go in and run out with Sharika, she told me something bleach her head. I take out the something bleach from her and put her back at ground and she take her back and I drink coffee more again. But I was so weak, me alone couldn't deal with her because I feel like she had some force in her body. Anyway, I carry the bleach out of the door and put it down to make it whole light just run out. She take up the knife and jam herself here. So I don't know if she gets stabbed or anything, but she have the knife here. And then she take the knife and I go to cut her neck and sit down and grab her and start ball out murder and you can help me please because I alone can't deal with it.
A neighbor then assisted him, and at that time, defeated, he went back outside to the baby, who he thought was already dead. It was another neighbor, a firefighter, who assisted in rushing the infant to hospital. The mother's now being treated at another medical facility. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Now, still to come this evening, new SOEs declared while private sector launches a new violence prevention program in St. James. And in the financial week, new productivity software launched for business sector. We'll be right back.